Hey there, in this quick video I'm going to show you how you can possibly fix the issue with the error 1 on a Roborock S7 Maxv Ultra. So it's a little turret or laser block to check for obstruction and retry. This is for the manual. And when I was looking on how you can possibly fix the issue, so the first thing is resetting. So try to reset it first, and if the resetting is not going to work out, there are guides on how you can reset it. The second thing is that if resetting it isn't help, try carefully cleaning the sensor with a cotton swab. If nothing works, return it. It could be faulty or lighter sensor and they will need to replace it. This is something that also was reported by many people. So I sent mine back with warranty for repair, but after a few weeks I just got my money back without any info. And this is something, if the resetting, if also the cleaning is not going to work out, I just make this quick video that maybe it's going to fix the issue, but if it's not going to fix it, reset. I will just show you how we can reset. So if the robot does not function properly after system reset switch, you don't press and hold the home button at the same time, press the reset button until you hear the restoring factory settings voice prompt. The robot will be restored to factory settings, but everything will go deleted. And I don't know if it's going to fix the issue, maybe not, but I just wanted to share this video. So have a great day and goodbye.